Hello, dear traders. This is Alex Gerchik, and today is our webinar, usual webinar, analysis of the Forex levels and prices for currency pairs. As well, what I want to tell you, a lot of times our levels are still the same because most of the times, if the level it's not been erased from the chart, level is there. The very important thing, the level, some levels will stay there for a year, 2, 3 years. Very important and beautiful part about Forex market, that in the Forex, there's a lot of pairs are trading via big range. So once the range is established, it's much easier to trade the pair because you know how it's going. So today, as I said, we're going to go pair by pair and let you know what exactly we're doing. Well, my friends, what I want to tell you, I want to tell you that at the end of March, in our company, is going to be a competition, very interesting competition. You can register with our company, and open a demo account, show excellent results on the demo account, and if your results are better than anyone else, you can get $1,000 in a TEMA account under management. Very important thing. It's going to be $55,000 between 50 trades. You come, you register, and you win. And now we're going to go to the charts. So you'll see what exactly are we doing. First of all, I want to let you know one thing. As you can see, there's been levels drawing, and the levels are still the same. It was the level of 108.560, the level of 106.869, and the lower side of the level 105.25. As you remember, our last webinar about the levels was on January 16. So I said if it's going to stay above 0.1068, then we have all the chances to go much higher. And if you take a look, once basically the level to the upside was broken, you see, we went 600-700 points lower. What's going on with the euro right now? I still believe that within a short to medium term, the euro is going to one-to-one towards the US dollar. But for now, anything below 106.8 is the short opportunity. And there's a next level of euro, which is a 105.25. 105.25, that's correct. So basically, we're right now in a very tight range of about 160 points. And we're going to take a look what's going on right now. Euro is going to hold on. Once the euro is, as you see, it's going to break 106 right here, 106.68. It has all the chances to go 105.25. The next one is the British pound. As you see, British pound did exceptionally well. We drew this line way before, right before the January 16. I said if it's going to break 121.22, 121.22, 23, it has all the chances to go much higher. Take a look what's going on. We went right above this level. This level was not there. Now this level basically become a level because from this point of view, we had a re-high. So we had a new high. So take a look what's going on. What's going on right now? As you can take a look, we stay right below the level of 125.2. If British pound is going to be able to held below the line, the British pound has all the chances to go below, to the next level, 122.50. That is a very tight range. It's almost 250 points, 270 points. In a scenario, we have all the chances, British pound, to go lower to 122.50. The next one is the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen, very interesting scenario. As you remember, I mentioned before, right at that level, it was a very good level for the short opportunity. Right now, what's going on with the Japanese yen? This levels was drawn way before. And as you can see, very important level, 114.589. As you can see today, we are holding right below that level. As you can see, first day before, on Friday, we held right above the lane. It shows a very strong pair. But today we went all the way down, and it shows right now that we are going to probably most likely go to 112.60. Very important thing. If there is a rally or any rally cannot sustain, you have to make sure that you got to watch out for the particular pair. So the rally was not sustained, once, was not sustained twice. So it shows that steam is gone out of Japanese yen, and the Japanese yen is going to go down to 112.60. Once the 112.60 is going to be tested, either we can go back to 110 to 84, or we can go to 114.589. Very important thing is to watch out how this is going to work out. So we have to watch for the levels. The another one is the Canadian dollar. You see the levels are not changing. Canadian dollar worked out very well out of the level of 131. As you can see, you can take a look. The levels are not changing. They stay the same because they're still working currently. So above 131, it was excellent level. Went to 133, almost 200 points, almost 250 points move. And now we're still testing the level of 131. So we're going to see how we behave at this level. As you can see, we were trying to do few false breakouts, but we're not holding well. So now today it's going to be very important day how we're going to close. Are we going to close right below or right above the level? If we're going to hold right above the level, we'll have all the chances to go 132.76. And if we're going to break and stay below 131, then we have all the chances to go lower to probably 129, 29.50. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar, as I said before, take a look slowly. I drew the line before 172.73, and as you can see, the New Zealand dollar slowly going up and up and up. It has a lot of steam, it has a lot of power, it has a lot of energy. It looks like it wants to go higher. Somebody looks like accumulating the position over 0.72 level, and it's very important thing for us to see there's a position accumulating. So probably, most likely, New Zealand dollar is going to go higher than the current prices. Australian dollar, as you see, the trading lines that didn't change. 0.74981. You see, it went above. It went almost 120 points, like we said, over January 16. I said if the level of 0.75, it's going to be broken. We're going to go higher. The level 0.75 was broken. We went to 0.76. I agree, not a large move, but still, we'll be looking very good, very healthy. A very important thing is to see that how Australian dollar is going to be taken care of at the level 0.75 to 0.76. I mean 0.76 to 0.75. Somebody is accumulating the positions here, so we have to see what kind of level is going to work out. The next one is the oil. Very interesting situation. Oil is staying at the same level. You see, we drove the levels before that, not changing. I'm sorry, 551.80, and the higher side 54. So right now we're at about 3 points, 2.5 points range. It looks like somebody is accumulating a very large position. Usually, it's going to be a very fast and a large move from this particular range. Really building a large position in the range. So I think personally, this particular range, we're going to get out fast. It's impossible to say right now which side are we going to get out. So we have to watch out how the oil is going to behave itself towards the level. But looks like somebody is really accumulating the position. It was a few false breakdowns, but you see after the falls, we didn't go any higher, and we went back to the range. So right now, it's very important thing for us to see what's going on. And our last instrument is the gold. If you remember, for the gold, I said once we're going to break 1205, that's the price right here above 16. We're going to go higher. We went to 1219. As you see, we tested high up level right here, 1219. Right now, the very important thing for the gold is to break back to 1205. So for us, very important two levels. It's at 1193 and at 1205. It will break 1205 and we stay there. We're most likely going to break 1219 to go to 1229. Very important level in this case. And if we're going to break 1193, we have all the chances for the gold to go back to 1162. My friends, hold on one second. It's me again with you, my friends. If you really like what we're doing, right under this video, you can share our video with your friends, with the people who like trading. I'm sure you like what we're saying. You know, we're trying to walk away from this large, long webinars and hours of work. We're trying basically to stay very focused on best pairs you like, and to be very specific with you guys. This is Alexander Gerchik. I wish you very good Chinese Happy New Year. All the best. And if you're another customer of Gerchik and Company, become one. Thank you very much and all the best.